welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lex, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a cabin tour of the Crown Loft Suite, which is on the Royal Caribbean Allure of the Seas ship. It's such a nice cabin. It has 2 floors, 2 bathrooms, floor to ceiling windows, the whole nine. It's such a nice cabin. It's basically having a whole apartment on a ship. Before we get into the tour, let me just say I did not go on this ship personally. My mom and her partner did. They recorded a video, sent it to me, told me I should post it, so I am. Plus, you guys loved my previous cruise content, so enjoy this one. It's gonna be a really quick video, and I will see you guys at the end. That pretty much concludes today's video. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure you leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell to be notified every time I upload. If you want more cruise content, comment down below and let me know so I can book my next cruise, because I had so much fun on my last one. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.